guys, Slab 4x4 fishing here, and today I got a video on a Klein tool haul. Went to my local parts store. I've had my eye on a couple of these items recently. One or two of the items had been out of stock, just recently got them in. I gave them a call today. They gave me a really great price on them. So we're going to jump into a little rundown on what I picked up today. The first item is a Klein Tools Pocket 4-in-1 electronic screwdriver. Klein parts 32614. Now I've had my eye on that a little while. They always seem to sell out of it before I can get another one. But I do already have the 14-in-1, which is a little bit bigger, but has a lot more bits in it. Still do the spin shaft on it. Excellent screwdriver, no problems out of it. I do already have the 4-in-1, 32581, a little bit smaller. Again, excellent screwdriver, no problems. Highly recommend both of those. But I picked this up today because I am doing a small EDC go bag to grab, to run back and forth between jobs and carry it in and out of my personal truck, my work truck. And one of the things I like about this is you can spin the shaft around and it has a long end and a short end. So you can actually make a stubby electronic screwdriver for your pocket. Got a pocket clip on it. And when you're either carrying in your front shirt pocket or your front pants pocket, you can pull this out to hide the bit so it doesn't snag on your shirt or your pants. Really neat idea. But this thing is super compact like this. It's going to work great in my EDC bag. As soon as I get it, I'll do a loadout video on it. I've got some parts ordered that hadn't come in yet. That's coming soon, and I got a Vito Tech MC and a TP4B that I'm going to do a loadout video on soon. Really great screwdriver, and can't wait to put it into my rotation. Next up is the fairly new item. My parts house just got them in. Is the Klein Tools 3-in-1 impact flip socket set. Comes with a 3-inch and a 5-inch. They have had the 3 inches out in a display case at the counter here recently, and I've already picked up several of these. But I did have my eye on a 6-inch Malco at my local Lowe's store, and they wanted $25 for the Malco, and I was able to pick this set up today for 13 bucks. I couldn't pass it up. To me, it's a Malco killer. I mean, they're great. Impact rated, quarter, 5/16 flip. You can take the quarter and kick it halfway out and it'll hold a bit, or do a 1/4-inch nut driver. And you do have a 3-inch shaft in here, and I have a use for that. I did pick up the Klein's 8-in-1 adjustable link stubby 32308. I have a couple of stubbies, but I wanted one that was a multi-bit, and it does have a number 3 in there. My line of work, I do use a number 3 quite often. It comes with adjustable shaft and magnetic bit holder. I'm going to put this in my bag with my other bits, because on this setup I'm going to use the nut driver shaft and turn it into a little stubby multi screwdriver. Adjustable link shaft. Kick it out, and it makes a bit holder. I really like Klein screwdrivers. Never had a minute's problem out of any of them. Excellent product. Anyway, that's a little rundown on a couple of purchases I made today. Like I said, I got some stuff coming in for my EDC Go bag, a couple of Knipex products. I'll do a loadout video on it. I'm excited to get it put together and start putting it in use. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Y'all keep checking back. I really appreciate it. Y'all have a good evening. Thanks.